Hello and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. In today's session, we will understand about structured data. There are three ways the data can be stored. They are structured, unstructured, and semi-structured. In this session, we will understand structured data. Structured data is a highly organized data. The data is organized in a predefined format, which will be easily searchable and easy to store. Commonly, the structured data is stored in tables with rows and columns. There are several other ways also, as you can see in the image on the right hand side. There are several ways of storing the data in the form of structures. The first one, as you can see here, this is a tabular format, and this is a chart format, and this is a text format, and this is a log format, and this is a pie chart format. So there are various formats that data can be stored. But commonly, structured data will be stored in tables. The tables will have rows and columns. Now, here are the few key characteristics of the structured data. The first one is clearly defined fields. For example, the name, the age, the salary. The fields will be clearly defined. This column of the data table is referred to the name of the employee, for example, or age or salary, anything. And it is well organized, so the definition, format, and meaning of the data is easily understood. And the data will live in the fixed fields in the row and column. It could be a file, it could be a record. And in general, this data is stored in relational databases like MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, or any other database, Postgre, Snowflake. It could be database or it could be file structure, flat file, or it could be any other way. But it is organized. Particularly, this form of relational database, if the data is present in the form of relational databases, it is easy to search with the help of SQL queries. Now here are a few examples of structured data. The first one is spreadsheet of Excel or Google Sheet, anything. The second one is database tables. For example, the customer table, which will have customer ID, order date, amount, or anything. Similarly, some sensor logs with some fields like timestamp, when it is recorded, how much is the temperature, how much is the pressure, everything can be organized as the sensor logs. Now, this is a sample Excel sheet. This Excel sheet, as you can see, have the records, the rows, and the columns. Rows, otherwise called as records, which are aligned horizontally, and columns are aligned vertically. And here I have demonstrated a small table which has some data. As you can see, there are a few columns, serial number, task, description, remarks, and status. For example, the task is to pick up, and the description is to pick up the parcel. And the remarks are once you pick up the parcel, you just give the token to the user, which can be used while receiving the parcel. And what is the status, whether it is completed or not. So this is a tabular format of a parcel service data. Similarly, here is the sample for database table. There is a table called employee, and here are the names and addresses. So there are three columns: employee ID, employee name, and employee address. and we can just run a small select query to get everything from this table. Now, why we need this structured data? What are the advantages of structured data? The first one is easy access. It is easy to read the data, to access the data. Second one is it's useful for machine learning. Nowadays, everything is going AI and ML, so it is very much useful for the machine learning. The data can be stored in the form of embeddings and can be retrieved easily during the machine learning. Third one, simple data mining. Suppose you want one particular element or field or value of one particular condition, it can be easily mined and you can easily find it with one small query or search. Then the fourth point is security. So there can be some sensitive data like PII, personal data. Those data has to be secure. It should be either encrypted or masked or stored in some format that unauthorized people should not have access to it. So if there is a structured data, especially the databases, they will have the security constraint where we can apply security on the data. The finally, easy integration. So structured data is very easy to integrate with any form of applications. Could it be web application or desktop application or AI or Gen AI related application, any form of application software, it is easy to integrate with the structured data. So these are a few things about structured data. In the upcoming sessions, we will discuss many things like unstructured data, semi-structured data, and many other things related to data and databases, data lakes, data warehouses, and much more in the upcoming sessions. So please stay tuned for the upcoming sessions. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.